Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. My name is Himanshi Sharma. I hope all of you are doing good and are safe at your home. Today we will see third part of the poem, How Creatures Move. This poem is given in class 3 English book Marigold. In this video we will see question answers and complete NCERT exercise. So let's get started. Reading is fun. Underline all the action words in the poem. Action words describe actions. They are actually verbs. Let's read the poem and find out the action words. The lion walks on padded paws. The squirrel leaps from limb to limb, while flies can crawl straight up a wall, and seals can dive and swim. So here in this stanza, walks, leaps, crawl, dive and swim are action words. The worm he wiggles all around, the monkey swings by his tail, and birds may hop upon the ground, or spread their wings and sail. So here in this stanza, wiggles, swings, hop, spread and sail are action words. Next stanza is, but boys and girls have much more fun. They leap and dance and walk and run. So in this stanza, leap, dance, walk and run are action words. Now it's talk time. Question is, why do boys and girls have the most fun? So as we have already read in this poem, answer is, boys and girls have more fun because they can leap, dance, walk and run around. Now let's write. Question number 1 is, match the words in column A with those in column B. Here, column A have names of animals and column B have their movements. We have to match the correct pair. Lions walk on padded paws. Squirrels leap from limb to limb. Flies can crawl the wall. Seals can dive. Worms wiggle around. Monkeys swing by his tail. And birds hop upon the ground. Question number 2 is, now make sentences of your own using the matching words. So we have to make sentences. Let's see the sentences one by one. Lion walk in the forest fearlessly. Squirrel leap around in the mango tree. The flies crawl on the kitchen wall. The worms wiggle on moist soil. Monkeys swing from one tree to another. The birds hop on the garden. Question number 3 is, arrange these movement words from slow to fast. Here are some movement words given to us. Run, walk, hop, crawl. We have to arrange them according to the speed of their movements. So first we will write the slowest movement and at the last we will write fastest movement among these words. So crawl will be the slowest movement. Walking is faster than crawling. Hopping is faster than walking and running will be the fastest among these 4 movement words. Question number 4 is, underline the letters which are silent in the following words. So here some words are given to us. We have to pronounce them to find out the silent letters. Walk. Here L is silent. Straight. Here GH is silent. More. E is silent. Caught. GH is silent. Calm. L is silent. Talk. Here also L is silent. Now say aloud exercise. Friends, try to pronounce these words. Squirrel, question, queen, quilt, quite, quite. Now let's read this short poem. Squirrel, squirrel on the tree, running quite as can be. Quickly, quickly, come catch me. The question is, what do you do when you are bored? Lakshya Mamma sings a song when she is bored. Ratnakar reads a book. Gopal talks to his friends. Anjaya writes a story. Leelamma goes for a walk. Prabhakar goes to sleep. So friends, like these children pass their time when they got bored. What do you do when you get bored? So you can write your own answer here. The answer of this question can be: we can listen to the music, do an art challenge, watch television, read storybook, or do a puzzle. So that's all about today's video. Friends, animals bring joy and warmth in our lives. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notified about new videos. Thank you.